Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A juvenile has been arrested following the murder of an elderly woman on Ashoka Road in Waterhouse, St. Andrew. The woman was found with her throat slashed in her yard yesterday morning. Details in this report.
It was here that 82-year-old Darius Gordon drew her last breath Tuesday morning. Her lifeless body was found with her throat slashed on Ashoka Road in Waterhouse in the corporate area. When our news team visited the community, locked doors greeted our cameras. The residents were also tight-lipped. We were shown pictures of the crime scene, but they were too graphic to show. She was only wearing a blouse that was soaked in blood. Head of the St. Andrew South Police Division Superintendent Kirk Ricketts described the act as heinous.
It really wasn't, a situation that the officers would have wanted to meet upon, because at 82 years old, and not given the dignity, so we are taking this. We take all murders seriously, but we're taking this particular murder, even more so.
There have been reports that the elderly woman might have been sexually assaulted, but there's been no confirmation from the police. Ms. Gordon was one of several people who live on the premises. A minor has been taken into custody in relation to the killing. Superintendent Ricketts says the police are also following several leads.
We are currently looking at several leads. As I speak, there is a review of the incident being carried out by the crime officer, where they are going over all the evidence that was collected yesterday.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.